Okay. Now, this one is generate income generating words. I'm gonna read to you para masaya, okay? I was called to the human resources office one day. The head asked me, "Do you know you were the highest paid rank and file employee last month?" I did not know that, I replied. "Do you know why?" she asked. I spent 2 weeks nonstop in the office fixing the problem the accounting department called me to fix. I went home at 5 a.m. every day and returned by noon the same day. I requested the department to buy me an official bed mattress. They approved it. The HR person smiled and said, "Okay." So that's how I made the book for you guys para medyo mas maliw kayo. At the same time, you get an idea. When we're starting to talk about money, ito na yun. Ito na yung chapter on money. How are you gonna understand affiliate marketing from the point of view? So this part here, here's a scene from the 1998 movie The Matrix. Neo enters the room of the Oracle. She takes a cookie and gives it to Neo. Neo eats the cookie. It's now inside him. Soon the cookie will be digested and will exit Neo. So that's explaining what a cookie is, especially in affiliate marketing. All right. So you got an idea. Here is top performing products, recurring commissions, some examples down here, seasonal opportunities, anniversary bonuses. A lot of these I've already enjoyed. PayPal account, high converting traffic sources. What is this? Strong call to action, examples of strong call to actions. Because sometimes they're going to say, "Oh, gandaming call to action mo." Here is a strong call to action. I always cook breakfast for my family. Once I had finished cooking tocino, bok choy, and fish with soup, my invitation to eat would be kain na. Let's eat. But when I'm cooking bacon for breakfast, my invite is bacon. Yeah, so that's an example. Okay. So that's a preview of the book. It's an exercise at the end of the book. There's an exercise. It's not an affiliate marketing exercise. And I put this here to open your eyes to this. Okay? To open your eyes on what it takes to do this. So this, hopefully will open your eyes. Ano nga tataka nga ako wala pang comment si Abby about this and I don't think nakita na ni Des ito. Des, I'm not sure kung nakita mo na 'to. I think I added it after you've read the book. Yeah, so hopefully, I hope this part, after you years later, you would love this part. I hope. Okay. Then at the end, there's a list of affiliate marketing tools. Generally speaking, there are 8 major tools you need to have. Okay. And then there's the recipe part. And then this is the part where they teach you how to use AI. Okay. What can the AI do for you? All right. And then this is the last part, which I will not read for you.